Hello, good to see you again. In this practice, we are going to make the art letters for Happy Easter. We're not going to make big words, so let's start from the pencil to divide the area where we are going to draw. Happy, maybe just this big, and Easter just like this big. Okay, let's do happy first. This time I will use a capital H and then small letters. You can also use capital letters to make happy. It is okay, it's up to you. E A S T E R. A little bit, I want to make this a little bit longer like this, and S with the bunny ears, and H go like this, like they are similar, and this Y. I want to make a rabbit head here to make it look more different. Now we can use the permanent marker to draw the outlines. And feel free to draw it. If it doesn't make it perfect, that is very normal and it's totally okay. It is fine. You don't need to make it perfect. Just follow the pencil lines. You see, it is not perfect, but that's fine. Don't worry about it. And you can make a circle here, or you can make a heart shape or anything. Like me, I'm probably just make a heart here, and P. You don't have to draw exactly the same. It has a little bit different. That's fine. And bunny head for my Y. Then E. The letter E, A, and the bunny ears. Okay, here we go. You see, it's very easy, right? Then remember, when you are going to erase the pencil line, use your another hand to hold your paper and erase it gently, nicely. Okay, like this. Erase the pencil line. And move your hand to hold the paper. Where are you erasing? The hand will go with your eraser, okay? Move your hand to hold the paper. Press it, don't make the paper be folded. Okay, good. Let's clean up the desk, clean up the paper. Yay! To check where else it doesn't clean up. Then let's do more. Cool. Yay, now we have the cute and lovely letters, and don't worry about the letters doesn't really line up very nicely. It is totally okay. I'll see you in the next video. Then we're going to make a whole picture for Easter. Okay, see you later.